Right, I am going to quickly show you how redirects work and how to set up a redirect specifically to make sure that when a category is clicked by the customer, instead of just getting taken to the category page, they actually get taken to the first product in that category page. So I've got a Firefox window here open with two tabs. The site homepage here and the site admin dashboard. So you need to open two tabs, log into the admin dashboard and have these two open. That's all you'll need. Okay, and then on the home page I'll just quickly demonstrate some redirects that I've already set up. For example, on here when clicking pillar candles, you get jumped to show the first product. Okay, and that's already set up for that category. These are really easy to set up. This is the category I'm going to be demonstrating setting one up for now, decorative angels and bee. If I click that, unlike the pillar candles, it just takes me to the category page. There's no product selected here. So it just takes me to the category page. Where we actually want to be is on the first product here. Okay, so this I'll show you where the redirects section is in the admin area. So this is demonstrating what we're looking to achieve. So in here, if you go to account details and then subdomains redirects, okay, this is a list of ones that I've already set up for you. Okay, we'll create a brand new one. So I'll click create redirect. You get asked for two things: the incoming URL, that's the URL to redirect from, and the URL to redirect to. So for the incoming URL, it is this page here. So we'll just click this again. This is the page that they're coming to, and I'm going to copy the entire URL out of the address bar there and go back here and highlight that and paste it in over that. There you go. So that's your incoming URL, and basically that means when a customer hits that page, we actually want to take them somewhere else. So what we'll do is we'll go in here and click there. Now it's slightly complicated because we have a little bit of behavior set here to when a product's clicked to jump to the to make sure that the product information stays up at the top. So you can see as I click round, it's actually leaving the product information at the top, which is useful and works really well. You can see there's no delay and no flicker, it's instant on here. But actually in this case we probably don't want to jump down. We actually want to have this behavior where we click pillar candles and it goes in there, and then obviously when they're clicking around they can do that later and it leaves them in view. So which makes it slightly more complicated, but still pretty easy. So I'm going to click there and then I'm going to click there. Now the way that this jumps down is a little bit of behavior where we trigger a jump to a bookmark on the page, which we've customized and set up specifically for this design. You wouldn't normally have to do this. If you didn't have this bookmark jump, you'd just copy this entire URL. But because there's a bookmark jump, what we actually need to do is take everything after the code before the little squiggle, okay, and remove it. So I'm selecting that and I'm going to either click delete or right click delete. Okay, now that's the URL. It does need a .aspx popping back on the end, so I've just typed .aspx on the end. Okay, and I'm going to just, that's the URL we're interested in. I'm going to copy the entire URL. Okay, and you can actually hit return if you like, just to prove it works. So I've either hit return or click go if your browser's got a go button. So I've gone to that URL and it's exactly the same but without the bookmark jump. So I've got it on the clipboard because I just copied it. We go back in there, we highlight that and we paste it in. And once you've done one, you'll be able to do these really quickly. Click update to confirm. Okay, that's it. That's all that needs to be done. So we go back in here, we go back to the home page. Pillar candles, the one we already set up, takes you there. Decorative candles, again, takes you to the first one. Decorative angels and bees, which wasn't redirecting before, click it. Brilliant, we're now into the first product. Okay, and that's all you need to do. Just do that for each one, follow the instructions in the video. That's great.